Alright, so I got a big table out and got my knife and my big face over here in the corner, so I bet you can kind of guess what kind of video this is going to be. So today we made a big purchase. Made quite a big purchase. I decided it'd be fun to unbox it on camera for you guys and see if you guys would enjoy it. Also, we got camera angle number 2 over here. What's up, guys? And back to the original camera. Oh, this is cool. Wait, go back to this one. I would go back to the... Okay, I'm going to quit playing. Let's get to what you guys came here for. So, first off, I have a Thunderbolt 3 USB Type-C mini dock for something. So, it looks kind of like this. It has 2 USB-Cs, 2 USB 3.0s, an SD card, and a micro SD card. If you want to see it from camera angle 1, and if you want to see it from camera angle 2, get a little close-up of that side action. So if you couldn't already guess what I got today, you're clueless and delusional. Guys, I've switched over. Here we have the MacBook Pro. We have the MacBook 13-inch. So yeah, I'm super excited, so let's get into the unboxing, shall we? Alright. I'm super nervous to cut this, actually. I don't think I'll need to cut it, actually. Let me, Alright, let's not damage this box. Alright, here, taking off the plastic. It has now lost a ton of value. Oh, yes. Alright, so we don't need this plastic anymore, so let's throw that off to the side. My cat's probably going to go crazy after it, but... Alright, guys, so just for any further specs, if you guys are wondering, here, let me flip it to the back. Just in case you guys are wondering, I got the 13-inch MacBook Pro, Core i5, 8GB of RAM, 512GB SSD, the internal graphics with the touch bar. Let's get after it, guys. Let's get excited. All right, here we go. Come on. All right. It's so clean. You guys see this? This thing is clean. I didn't even see how thin it was. Like, I knew it was thin, but it just feels so thin in the hand. Man. Alright, we'll set this off to the side and we'll get right back to it because I know you guys are excited about what's inside, actually. So, in here we have a USB-C to USB-C cable. Interesting, but not really. We got designed by Apple in California, if you guys are interested. We got the MacBook Pro manual. Tells you how to work everything, which I'm pretty sure with a little bit of messing around and figuring stuff out. And we got the Apple stickers that you always get when you get Apple products. You always get those Apple stickers. Gotta love them, Lottie. And then we have the humongous charger. This thing, I don't know what kind of watt charger it is. Ooh, heavy and quality. Oh, it's a 60... This is a 61 watt USB-C charger. 61 watts! Woo! And then there's a little USB thing coming out of it. That's gonna look redonkulous. Now to unwrap the MacBook Pro. Here, let me... Guys, this is my first time opening the MacBook Pro. Let's... Woo! Oh, and it opens right up. And it's starting, guys, right now. Look at that. It is actually starting right now. Oh, my. While this starts up, I'm going to unbox the little side thing real fast here. Kind of crappy tape job, to be honest. Open this up. Pull this out. Instruction manual, don't need that. Alright. And it matches up like almost perfectly with the color. So as you can see, there's 2 USB-Cs, 2 USB, and then a SD and a micro SD, and then an HDMI actually at the top. So guys, this is pretty exciting. And then it'll just plug in like right into the side. Work really nice. So I'm actually just gonna put this back in the box until I can use it. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna set this up, and then I'm actually gonna shoot to a different camera angle because I got some things to do. So yeah, we'll be shooting over to a different camera angle. Like, alright guys, it's a couple days later since I've had my MacBook. I've gotten to use it. I've gotten to mess around with it, experience it, do a little bit of photo editing or whatever. And now it's time to talk a little bit more about it. But first, before we get into it, I'm not sure I'm in the right outfit. Hold up 1 second. So I think I need to be in the right actually outfit, which kind of sounds stupid, but you'll see what I mean. Alrighty. Good transition, right? Actually, before we get right into this, I hate how my cats get freaking hair. Like, I literally spent like a good couple minutes lint rolling. I don't know if you can see that, but there's already a ton of cat hair already on it, and I lint rolled for a while. Anyways, one cool feature I just love it. I know I'm like late to the game. Let me just show you this cool feature I love on my MacBook. Here, let's give you a close-up real fast. Okay, so one of my favorite things is Touch ID. It's just super cool, and it goes bloop, and it's open. And it's just, oh my goodness, I love it. Literally one of the coolest things, like your computer unlocks faster, it's password protected. Oh, it's nice. Okay. So, oh shoot. That's why I can't have nice things. Let's get right into the review, but first, let me take a drink out of my favorite coffee cup. I have to do that because sometimes, like, if you look closely, there's like little like droplets, and if I close it too fast, it shoots everywhere. I actually did that once, and it shot all over the screen of my MacBook, which I was not very happy with. But for real, this is like my favorite coffee cup. It's like a cool camera lens, and I wish I had the actual version of this camera lens because it's like $1,000. And anyways, so the first thing I think many people could be potentially asking is, why would I choose a MacBook over a PC? Or like Windows computer, or Windows laptop. The reason for this is, honestly, it's because of the features. So on Wednesday when I was at Best Buy and I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do for my computer for school and stuff like that. Because originally I was looking at the Microsoft Surface laptop in the cobalt color. Whoo! That was a pretty color. Dang. That blue was just yum. They told me at the end of the day they'd be somewhat of like the same like magnitude. They both do about the same speed. They're both basically approximately the same laptop. But it boiled down to features for me because on the MacBook I have GarageBand, and on this I had Audacity, and it wasn't even this good. GarageBand, it can do audio, it can make songs if you really try. You can make songs, you can do stuff like that, and it's just a better overall audio program that I'd rather be using than spending money on an actual audio program for my Windows. Another thing that happened, it has iMovie on it, and I mean, yeah, I had VideoPad on here, but I had to uninstall, reinstall after every single video I exported, and it was sometimes laggy. It took forever to export videos, and I was over it, and I, again, didn't want to spend the money yet to buy a program that's expensive. So I figured it already had a video editing program on here, so paying for that feature, kind of. And then it has the same photo editing program. I found it on the App Store, so that's really nice and convenient. That one was free, except there's like an $80 Pro version. Also, the cool thing is, if I wanted to upgrade to something like quality, like high quality video or photo editing on my PC, I'd have to go with Adobe, and I'm not a fan of subscription-based programs, to be honest with you. I'd rather have it, I buy it once and it's done. So that's where, like, if I wanted to upgrade to Final Cut, it's all right there, and it's, I guess maybe you could say, a little bit simpler. And then Logic Pro, I can buy that, and that's one time and done if I get really into audio stuff. I always wanted to try Mac too. I was always wanting to try an Apple product, and literally when it came out, like ever since I saw like the glowing apple or the iMac, I wanted a Mac solely because I saw the iMac and I thought it looked super cool. It's probably really lame, but I thought it looked dope. So that's basically why I switched to Mac from PC, and I guess we'll see how it goes from here. I'm so far really loving it. The battery life is absolutely amazing. It's fast, and I'm pretty sure it's because of that SSD. Just an overall really good computer. You get what you pay for is what I'm figuring out. It's lightweight, it's thin. This touch bar at the top, probably old news at this point. Holy crap, it's awesome. Like, I didn't think I'd be like, okay, I got the touch bar because it's a newer model, it's gonna last longer. And I'm like, I'm not sure how much I'll actually use it. I use it all the time. Like, if I open up a tab, here, let me just show you actually again. Okay, so we're here. So if we go down to Safari, if you look right up here, all your features are up here. So like if I want to go to YouTube, just gotta put in YouTube. And bam, YouTube's pulled up. It's honestly very nice. So, as you can see, the touch bar is a super convenient feature. I really enjoy it. I really enjoy having this MacBook. I've wanted one for the longest time, and I'm super grateful to have it. And that's one thing I want you guys to also take away from this video is be grateful for what you have and take care of what you have, because you're not guaranteed to get it. Like, I'm so blessed that I'm able to have a nice camera. I was able to work for that camera. I was able to work for my PC or save up money for my PC. I was able to be gifted a MacBook as like a schooling present. Like, if I didn't take care of my stuff, I wouldn't be blessed with what I have now. To take care of your stuff, appreciate what you have, and never take anything for granted, because it could be gone like that. That was a bad snap. That. I want you guys to remember that. But anyway, if you guys have any further questions on why I switched to the Fruit, let me know down in the comments below. And anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you didn't like this video, well, click that like button, because you can. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. It'd actually be really funny if I made this video talking all these praises about Apple, and then all of a sudden like it like breaks and ignites on fire or something like that, and then I have to make a rant video about it or something. It'd be sad, but it'd be kind of ironic. Something that is sad, actually, this is like a little end of the video monologue. I haven't done one of these. I should do these more often. Leave a like if you think I should. Like and subscribe. But it was actually kind of funny. The day after I got this, Apple released their new 2018 MacBooks that can have like 4 terabytes of SSD, and they're like $7,000. Yeah, I'm not getting one of those. Screw that. Who needs 4 terabytes of storage? My lord. I mean, MKBHD probably does, but anyway, I'm rambling at this point. So yeah, have a good day, guys.